see how, like, getting instructions exactly as I'm doing it.
Yeah.
And being able to take a drive with the instructor.
Yeah.
And seeing how the instructor drives as well.
I just feel great. I feel free now, and I just feel so relieved that I followed through with the 6 lessons and that I contacted Prepare to Pass Driving School. And as it's happened, I've passed today, and I'm just so happy. I feel like having a pee party.
Very nervous, very anxious, and then Carmen helped me a lot with my anxiety, like, you know, and then road rules. I didn't know so much. I had taken few classes before, but still I didn't know. So it, like, you know, my like learning road rules and all. He really helped me. I had classes with Teresa as well, and she's like very good, like, you know.
Oh, way more strict. You know, you focus on the little sort of things that other instructors wouldn't pick up.
I mean, learnt nothing relevant because I came here today and I've learnt more in this an hour and a half than I've learnt at any of my other lessons combined.
Well, just here was a lot more technical, a lot more step-by-step process, and really some new things that I haven't learnt before in the previous lessons. So that's what I needed.
Yeah, literally even after the first lesson with Carmen, I felt more like I knew what I was doing. I was more prepared to have my P's, felt safer when I was driving and more in control than with anyone else.
Oh, right.
Probably learnt more today than I have in the 40 other driving lessons I've had with someone else.
Wow. Are you serious?
Yeah, definitely.